Alright guys, guess what? We're going to talk about this stupid phone right here that I wish I would have never bought. This is a Samsung Galaxy Fold 4. And I'm actually recording on a Fold 4 as well because they sent me a replacement. But this fine thing was brand new when we bought it. And it cost, I don't know, $1,500, $1,600, something like that. And I have a refurbished unit now. But we're going to go through this thing and I'm going to show you the problems with this stupid phone. It's powered off right now. Number one, let's see here. It no longer goes flat. So now when you're looking at it, that's what you get. Number two, did you hear that? It went click. The screen protector, within the past couple of days, which wasn't an issue, but is now, if you look right here, you'll see the white strip where the factory screen protector is hereby letting go. See if it'll power up. All right, there we go. So it still powers and everything. Let's not get crazy, but you can definitely see that line right there, especially whenever I start to turn it a little bit. So good old, the people of Verizon sent me a remanufactured phone, refurbished. Not happy about it, but guess I'm stuck. But those are the problems. If you're thinking about getting a Fold, I'm going to tell you, I wouldn't do it. You can see right there, you see where the W and the E are? That's where that screen protector is actually coming up. That's a factory screen protector that comes from the factory. And that's opened up right there. That's folded out. You can see the crease because mine's not. It just doesn't fold open anymore. So that's what you got. Hope y'all have better luck than me. This will be the last fold for this guy. Next time. Have a good one.